What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
You're not doing anything?
Yeah.
You're not playing with anything?
I'm playing in a movie.
Where?
Yeah.
Over there? Show me. I want to see what you're doing. What you doing? What are you doing, Emily?
I'm playing. I'm breaking this.
You're gonna. Oh, did someone else make it, or did you make it?
I make it.
Oh, if you made it, sure. See what you like.
I made it for you, Matthew.
Oh, that's nice.
It looks like a gun.
You're making something.
Yeah.
What you make?
Secret.
That's a secret. You won't tell me.
Yeah.
Why not?
This inside is alive.
It's a what?
It's alive inside.
There's something alive inside.
Yeah.
What is it?
We don't see so.
Well, if it's alive, we need to make sure it's comfortable. It's okay.
It's okay.
If it's a bug, you need to make sure you've got air in there. You wanna use the guitar? Do you wanna use the guitar?
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah.
Yes, you wanna use the guitar. You can use it if you're careful. You wanna play it?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Be gentle, yeah? Don't break it. You're gonna pull that nose off. Go on then, play us the song. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tadashi. Ta-da.
I can do that night.
What happened? What was scary? Something was scary. Oh, Kima, where are your shoes?
Yeah.
Go find your shoes. Where are they?
Yeah, we're in the boat.
Ah. What is this?
I don't know. I think he must say toothbrush.
It does look like a toothbrush. Is it a toothbrush for a person or a toothbrush for something else?
Something else.
Like what?
I don't know.
Like a dinosaur?
Yes.
Yeah. How do you brush the dinosaur's teeth?
You need a big toothbrush.
It'd have to be huge, right?
Yes.
Do you think they'd use toothpaste?
Yes.
What flavour?
Mint.
Mint. You like mint?
I love mint.
I like mint too. Ray likes mint too. Can you use that pencil sharpener? That's kind of difficult to use that pencil sharpener. Can you use it? Who showed you how to use it? You figured it out? Show me. How do you use it? Go on then.
It's not do this because it's closed. If you do like this, then go here, and if you show me then you can do that.
Oh, and then you have the stuff in there.
Yeah,
That is super smart. You figured that out by yourself?
yeah, by yourself.
What you can do is when you squeeze it, you pull it out like that.
I know.
Really? Oh yeah, then it grabs it.
Yeah.
Well, it pulls it in so it sharpens it as it goes.
And there's a tiny pencil.
Oh, that's tiny. What happened to that? Nika, did you do that? We're gonna have no pencils left.
You want to see this one?
I do actually. I want to know what's in there.
The next one is for later.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's a secret.
It's a secret.
We're gonna make a haunted house.
Now what hearts
Yeah, it's so smart.
Is it really alive? I'm a little bit worried about it. Is it okay in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you catch a spider or something?
No. It's so stinky.
Stinky? What did you put in there?
So funny.
Great, they won't tell me what it is.
It's so small.
Are you gonna tell me later? Okay, good. Oh, that's such a cool shape. What do you call? What is that?
Butterfly.
Butterfly? Oh, careful! If you pull it like that, it's gonna break. Oh no!
That's not the real one.
The butterfly is all broken.
That's not the real one.
Oh, okay.
That's just made of magnets.
It's just made of magnets, is it?
Can I have the...
Do you know how to make it again?
Okay. This minute do this one.
Oh, okay. Why is it? Yeah, I think Nico's gonna give it a try first.
Finish. Here, Grandma.
And then you collect it together.
I broke it. I need to try it again.
Yeah, try it again and again. Master it. Hey, Yamato.
1, 2,
Hi. Did you write this?
yeah.
Wow. That's so
we
cool.
made it, right? And you can read it.
What does it say?
What does it say?
Yamato.
It says Yamato. It says your name.
Good job.
What are you making, Chichi? Making a city?
No. Your mommy.
Oh, is it for Mummy?
Yes.
You're gonna take a picture and show her.
Mommy, the
Yeah?
party mommy.
You can take a picture if you like and show her.
her.
That's such a cool shape. Do you know how to make it now?
Yeah.
That's very cool. I want to know what it's called. I don't know what's called that shape. I think you found a new one. What's going on in the library?
We're doing tic-tac-toe in here.
Tic-tac-toe?
Yeah.
How'd you play that?
We're not gonna care.
You're not going to tell me. Why not?
Can I have tic-tac-toe? It's first circle and then circle. Wait.
So if you get 3 in a row, you win. Yeah, in England we call that noughts and crosses.
Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I have it? Yeah, but this time turn the circle and your
Tic-tac-toe.
tic-tac-toe. It's
Sorry?
tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, I think in America they call it
Can I see
tic-tac-toe.
your
And in England they call it noughts and crosses. Oh,
Please.
Yeah, because the noughts. Nought is another name for 0.
Here it's circle. Yeah, but Hershey's.
Do you want a tissue? Here you go, you can use a tissue.
You need
You
a
wanna
tissue. I need a tissue. Yeah. No, we got it. We got it.
That's huge.
That's it.
Well, I wonder how many you can do with it. You can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then like a huge one.
Oh yeah, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, am I gonna get to see what's inside?
No,
Why not?
you're gonna see the smoke. Yes. Let me see.
Here you go, I have this.
Stop. What?
Actually, it'd be good if you could find a use for that.
I know this is a paper. Yeah.
It is. It's paper
We should
shape.
put it in secret.
What, Ichino? But you must promise to clean it up afterwards because it makes quite a mess.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Well, let's do a party
But
with
that's pretty good to play with because I make lots of it and I don't know what to do with it.
Oh.
You can put it in bags or something. I think my moustache is itchy from
Wait,
this.
I have this too. At my house.
You have them at home?
Yeah.
What can you do with it?
And this stuff. Put it in. I don't know.
Yeah, put it in a box or something. That'd be really good for like a little hamster bed or something, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. I have a hamster pet.
You have a hamster?
Yeah.
When did you get a hamster?
In my birthday one.
Oh,
You have two.
you have 2 hamsters?
No, The two presents and one.
Oh, okay. And so what's your hamster's name?
Mika.
Mika.
I like Mika.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Is she a good girl?
Yeah. He likes to bite. I found this one.
Are they hard to find? There's a red and the orange one.
Yes. Here. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, purple and that's what Nikita was talking about. He said there's like a purple and blue in the front classroom. I think he said up here.
Nope. There is. There is.
Where?
When you go there. I drink coffee 3 times.
Coffee?
Yes.
You drink coffee? How old are you?
5.
You're 5 and you drink coffee? Isn't it bitter?
Yes.
It's quite bitter, right? But do you like it?
Yes.
Ah, Ray, my son Ray likes coffee too. Yeah, it's kind of strange. Usually kids don't like coffee.
Baby don't love coffee.
Oh no, babies could definitely not have coffee.
I love coffee too.
You like coffee too?
I like bitter coffee.
Oh, you like bitter things.
Yeah. I eat coffee jelly.
Oh, coffee jelly.
Yeah. It was
Satya, so I don't like it. It's too bitter. So yeah, I don't like it. I like milky coffee.
I like matcha.
You like matcha? Green tea?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Super
really...
yummy.
Who do you have green tea with? Just at home?
No.
Well, who do you drink with?
Me.
Just by yourself? You sit there by yourself sipping green tea? Wow, how old are you?
5.
5? And you sit there by yourself sipping green tea?
Yeah. I love
What's that? You found something?